What's up, trains and car rushes and quads and stuff? So we're gonna do the garbage truck thing here again. Here's the dumpster right here. And I am home from my house from yesterday. Anyway, here comes the garbage truck. Looks like the garbage truck just got here. Yeah. Yeah. Then after this video, I will show you how it dumps the garbage.